Okay, here we go. Game number 5 versus the Boston Bolts, RNYFC here. 5th game of the spring. They're 2-1-1 here on April 8th, 2023. Nope. Nice job, Ethan. All right, free kick here for Hoke, 0-0, 23rd minute. Justin here in the 25th. Whoa! All right, here we go. Griffin Deem crossing it in. Oh! Oh! Definitely. Another one. Another card. Here we go. Free kick. 28 minutes in. Hoke. Curve. Oh, what a laser! Absolutely awesome. Oh! That was ridiculous. That was a gem from Hoke off the free kick here in the 28th minute. 1-0 RNY. Uh-oh. 30 minutes in, still 1-0 RNY. AJ? Nope. James with a good save. 30 minutes in. Oh, damn it. Oh, great block, Ethan. Bolts here on a corner here. 1-1 still, coming to the end of the half. Short time. Jay? No, sir. Okay, free kick here for Boston Bolts. 1-1. All right, coming out of halftime, down 2-1 to the Boston Bolts here on April 8th, 2023, on this partly cloudy and chilly Rochester afternoon. Oh.
Come on!
Yeah! Matt Torell! He finds his spot! Yes! Thank you, Matt.
Oh my word! Oh my God! Oh! Guys. That was tough. What?
Good D.
Oh! You guys, how you doing?
Oh my God. Still in, hit the post.
We love you, Mason! Oh!
Red card for the captain.
That's shocking.
Thanks for coming.
That's shocking. Let him cook.
You guys got a charge to Bolts, and it's Hoke over here to Brennan. Chipping far side. Torell. Oh, that's a good save by their goalkeeper.
You don't want it. Oh.
Yes, Griff. Oh, way to be there.
Yeah!
Yeah, Romero! Outstanding, 3-3. Fantastic. 12 minutes left in the game, still 3-3. Header, James is there.
Christian Martin!
Yes, James here with 8 minutes to go. Another save. Steiny. Come on, Steiny. AJ. Oh! There it is. Come on, Romero. Oh, what a save. It's good defense.
Come on, guys, get it.
Griff again. Nope. Ethan's there. Oh my. 2 minutes to play. Romero. Torell. Oh, there it is. Come on, Matt. Cross. Oh, onto the side of the net. Oh, wow.
Yes, Christian.
Yes, Christian.
Nope. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
AJ. Okay. Here's the chance. Extra time. Justin's still there. Don and Matt. Torell. Chipping it in. Oh, Romero.